The makers of the top-rated infant car safety seat have maximized the KeyFit. Introducing KeyFit Max ClearTex, the extended-use infant car seat. Now with an easy extend headrest system, Stability Plus legroom, a UPF 50+ sun-blocking canopy, integrated carrier-only install, and one-hand easy adjust handle. This rear-facing seat is maximized. The innovative leveling system and super cinch latch tightening ensure the easy, secure install for which Chicco seats are known. The intuitive click-in design make KeyFit Max easy to install, while ClearTex fabric with no added flame retardant chemicals offers your child a breath of fresh air. You and your child will enjoy maximum comfort. KeyFit Max ClearTex, the extended use infant car seat, only from Chicco.